Alright, thanks for watching. Last night was cold. Couldn't get anybody out here to fix my heating system. And I just want to show you guys what I did because I wasn't going to let the kids freeze. I had a friend with a assembly unit. What's in there is a squirrel cage and the motor. This is my blower motor. Nobody can get me the part. It was a Sunday and it was below 2 degrees last night. So my motor works, but my squirrel cage got all bent up. I think I got a loose bearing in there. Anyways, I ordered the parts on eBay for 300 bucks. This was $230 and this one was $79. What I did here is a rig job. And this is a blower motor for a kids jumping bounce house. And that is a smaller unit that wasn't strong enough when I just put this in here and wedged it up. It's half the size of my original unit, so it wasn't able to
cool it down.
And I got this just hooked up in a 110 outlet. I put a plug on it on the black and white wires. But what happened was this is not strong enough to push the air that needs to be pushed through this system into the home. So there's a sensor right here that tells it it's getting too hot, so it would shut off, and then I would get a flashing code that would, it's like a Morse code that would flash once, pause, flash twice.
It was telling the system that it was too hot, so it shut down. So by adding the kids' bounce house blower motor on there, it was able to sustain the heat, and therefore I had heat in the home.
So let me know what you think about my rig job. Leave a comment. I want to see what you guys have to say about this. It worked great. I slept warm last night. The kids slept warm. So don't try this at home.